Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be about a bunch of products which I have almost emptied, but there is one last use still remaining. So I have been planning to do this video for so long guys, for so many months, but here's what happens with me. When I'm just about to finish off a product like a face mask or a toner, when there's just a little bit left, I just scrape off the last bit, use it up because I'm like really excited to finish it off, and then I throw away the box or the bottle or whatever there is. And after throwing it away, I would be like, oh sheesh, I was supposed to make that video. I should have kept that last bit stored for that video, but here I am guys. I finally have a bunch of things that I will be using for one last time today and sharing my experience with you all. And yeah, that's it. Like, I mean, I'm okay, I'm making it like sound really dramatic. I'll be just reviewing them guys because I've been using them for a while and some of these products I really love. So yes, without further ado, let's get started and let me show you what the first product I have with me. So first I have with me the Good Vibes Tea Tree Foaming Face Wash, which you have seen me talk about for like a million billion gazillion times on my channel. I have been using this product for so long guys, and it's a really good face wash. But right now it's almost an empty. As you can probably see over here, there's hardly anything remaining. So I'm gonna try and pump this out and see if there's any foam forming still, because it's almost finished and I don't know if the pump will even pick up this liquid now. So let's try and get this thing. Oh my god, yeah, I am getting some foam out of it. Not bad guys. Okay, I'm just gonna take out the rest because it's like too much effort. For the rest of the face wash, I think I'll just use it as it is here. But you have probably seen me use this face wash for so many times on my channel. You know what I'm talking about. It's a really good face wash for anybody with acne prone skin and all, because tea tree has antibacterial properties. It's so good. But it's actually very gentle and feels really good on the skin. And here's to one last use of this tea tree foaming face wash, which has been with me throughout I don't know how many videos. Okay, it's seriously finished guys, there's nothing remaining. So I guess I'll just go and wash this off my face and then move to the next product. Next I have with me the NYB Skin Fident Lit as Empire Face Serum with Hyaluronic Acid, which once again I have almost emptied. I hope I've just almost emptied because I need one last use out of it. Okay, there's just a little bit remaining here, but I will need more. Okay. So guys, you have seen me use this face serum on my channel before, and it's a really good face serum, if you have dry skin. Come on! Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this serum in this little glass here, upside down, and we're gonna wait for this thing to come out. Till then, I'm just gonna review one of the other products. Here I have with me the Good Vibes Wine Hydrating Face Mask, and as you can see over here guys, I've almost emptied this as well. And this face mask guys, I'm gonna miss this face mask so much. I'm definitely buying this one again. It's a really good face mask. Okay, so during this lockdown there was this period for about 2 weeks and I was actually using it every single day, and I could see a difference in my skin. It's really good. Now if you have oily combination normal skin, you can use this face mask as it is. If you have dry skin like mine, here's a quick tip. Just take a little bit of neem oil. So here I'm using the Wishcare neem oil, and add just a few drops of your neem oil into this face mask. So I just put it directly into the container, especially these days now that's almost empty. And and then I just mix it up like as it is, and if there's any neem oil still remaining, I'll use it up the next time, right? So this face mask is so good. And by the way guys, in case you're wondering what has happened to my skin today and why is my skin looking so bad guys, well, I actually had a bit of an acne breakout over the weekend because as a blogger I keep trying out new things all the time. Not everything suits you, so right now my skin is looking really dull. But honestly, once I'm done using this face mask, I think you should be able to see a difference because this face mask is really good. So just gonna mix and scrape off whatever last bit is still remaining out of it. I'm just gonna apply this. So the thing with this face mask guys, is that it not just hydrates the skin, but it really cleans up your skin beautifully. It also helps in toning your skin and just giving your skin a very refreshed, good feel. And here it is guys, done applying this face mask. Now I'm not going to talk much, I'll just keep this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off and then come back. So yep, see you in 10-15 minutes. So guys, done washing my face and this is how my skin is looking now. It feels a lot fresh, hydrated. I don't know if you can tell it or not, but I definitely feel refreshed and hydrated. I love the face mask, guys. Anyways, moving on to the next product, which is the Abs Goodness Rose Toner, which once again, as you can see, I have pretty much emptied. There's hardly anything left. So I don't know if the pump bottle will pick it up or not, but a little something that I want to share about this rose toner, guys, that although you have seen me talk about this for so many times on my channel, this rose toner, it contains rose water, it oil balances out your skin, it also helps in restoring the pH balance. It's absolutely fabulous, especially if you have acne prone skin, if you have skin which is constantly getting irritated after sunlight, after sun exposure. This is so good. So let's see if anything comes out of it or not. Okay, it's very weak because obviously there's hardly anything left here. Wow. Okay, I think this time we are done. Seriously done. Okay, so this is the rose toner. So yeah, just gonna wipe this off my face. And that's it. Next, I have with me the Good Vibes Watermelon Gel, and I'm just realizing how many Good Vibes products I have with me, guys. But that's because I actually use a lot of Good Vibes products. You know, it's a made in India brand. All the products are paraben free, cruelty free, so why not? And the product quality is actually very good. So the watermelon gel tube, like you can see, it's a very small tube. I just use it for like 3 or 4 times here and there to hydrate the skin. And because I had a little bit left, and then I remembered I have to do this video, I kind of just left a little bit remaining for this video. So just gonna squeeze this last bit out. Although I have used watermelon gel from Good Vibes before, like I think a couple of months back, there was this jar which I used to keep using in a lot of my DIYs. I can't seem to find it anywhere these days. I don't know what happened. But this watermelon gel is actually really good, not just for hydrating the skin, but if you just want to do a quick little skin massage, it's really nice. So just gonna apply a little bit of this gel because that's all I have left remaining. So as you can see, my skin has pretty much absorbed it all, but here's what I do after using a gel. If I'm using a gel like just as it is, I will definitely want to wipe off the excess using a wet cotton pad. Okay, so this just helps in preventing that sticky feeling. Like even if your skin has absorbed a lot of it, it's always a good idea to just wipe off the excess gel once you're done applying it. So that was a Good Vibes Watermelon Gel, guys. By the way, I'll put all the links in the description box below. I'm talking about the links. A lot of these products are also available at discount right now because they have a sale going on. So I'll check and I'll put the sale details also in the description box below. And finally, we have the last product of the day, which of course is the NY Base Skinfident Lit as Empire Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. Okay, so guys, this is a product which, first of all, I don't know if I have anything left or not. I'll not even try to take it out of the no point. Let's see if we can. Yes, we can get a little bit of this out. So guys, let me just give you a quick disclaimer. Okay, I have been using a lot of products on my skin today, and ideally on a regular day you don't need to use so many products. Okay, I mean, of course everybody's skincare routine is different and all, but just as a quick recommendation to you all, you don't need to use so many products every single day. I'm just doing a review talking about it, and anyways I'm using very little of everything, so it cannot make sense if I use a little bit of everything. It's fine, but don't have to use so many things every single day. Okay, so talking about the serum, guys, the serum contains hyaluronic acid, which once again is great for hydrating your dehydrated skin. And a quick tip, if you're using a serum with hyaluronic acid, seriously, make sure that you're also drinking enough water, because what happens is that, you know, this ingredient hyaluronic acid, it tries to pull out water from the air and also from inside your body to plump up your skin. So if you're not drinking enough water, it can just make your skin look a little parched. So guys, those were all the empties or almost empties that I emptied out in today's video that I want to talk about. Okay, what am I saying? Seriously. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share, guys. If you have used any of these products, please let me know in the comment section below what you think about them. Today, the products which I've talked about are some of my favorite current beauty favorites, guys. I really like these, and yeah, I would just like to know your opinion on these as well. And while you're sharing your comments, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.